more baking.
Yeah.
And it's not going to be a disaster.
That one.
What?
Remember last time with the other cake? That was really a massive disaster. Remember?
I don't know what you're talking about. We're going to have a fresh start today. Isn't that right?
What were we making again?
Here, you got to scoot in. We are... Oh, wait, we got to introduce ourselves. I'm Brandy.
I'm Nova. I'm Ava. So,
We're the Glam Fam.
wait, guess what? My dad's not here. He's not here yet.
Yeah, he's on like a little hunting thing. So we are going to make a copycat. Okay, we're going to copy IKEA's Lemon Blueberry Mascarpone cake. I took a bite of this cake and it was like, So, I'm craving it. We're going to try to work it out. We ready?
Yeah.
Let's get into it.
Let's start out, everybody.
All right, copycat cake.
No.
All right, we got our ingredients. We're going to start. We're going to get some lemon zested. Do you know what zesting a lemon means?
No.
Okay, we're going to take the skin, shave it off.
That is so terrifying. What's wrong with you? Mama was crazy last year. She was like this.
No, that's not crazy. That's fun.
Yeah, I know. Oh.
Zesting action in. It's good child labor.
What? Why call me one bag of pickle chips? You gotta ask some grown-ups for help or something. But that might be dangerous. This.
All right, now we're gonna squeeze the lemons. Get that juice, but you wanna.
Come on. I need some more muscles. Come on, baby. Okay. Here, you need some help? No, I got it. I'm not baby anymore. I think I see some water.
Some lemon juice.
Come on, baby.
Here, let me do it.
No, I got it.
Good job.
What about me?
You're doing a great job. Good job. All right. Good job, Mama.
See? Strong. So this is one bag of chicken.
Alright, I gotta crack the eggs.
Don't worry, I cracked another egg. I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. Oh! Mommy! I'll put it in the bowl. Watch.
Okay.
Look at this. See, look at that.
Oh Lord, there's a shell in there. 2 of them. Okay, thanks, Abel. Woo!
See, look. See at this. Look at that.
Looking good, girl.
I'm strong now.
Okay.
Everything tastes better with the dough. Amazing. What the world's wrong with you?
Alright, she needs half a cup. Yeah, we do have spoons, but.
You just want to lick it.
No, I don't. Just have
No.
No, a full cup.
to fill the whole thing up.
Nope. Nope. Keep doing it. Oh my gosh. A mess again. Is that great?
That's close.
Okay, remember try this. 1, 4.
Okay, there you go.
Yes! Yeah!
Okay, one more time.
Okay, one more time.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Over this.
Okay. Looks great.
I'm looking like a sushi chef.
Ma'am. Okay. Alright. And then Ava, if you could add the buttermilk.
Okay.
And then we're gonna start to mix this all together.
Buttermilk and so thick and so chunky.
Alright. Got a half a cup of oil. Alright, now here is where we kind of cheated a little bit. Instead of making actual cake mix, we ended up just buying yellow cake mix. So it did kind of alter the sugar count. So the whole box read 18 grams of sugar. Now you can make your own mix like the recipe, and you can alter it to have lesser sugar. Very good. All right, that's good, Nova. Okay, girl, look like you know what you're doing there. I almost forgot the blueberries.
So here, wait, I'm gonna do it.
Here.
Remember?
Got some fresh washed blueberries. We're gonna put most of these in the cake. All right, go ahead.
So how many?
Most of the bowl. Let's do, yeah. That's good.
That's good.
Sorry. But I got lots.
Okay. Ava, you're gonna go ahead and spray the pans so we can be ready.
Oh, we're making 2-layer cake?
Yep. Well, we needed 3, but
But we don't need to.
pull it back some. You're too close. Yeah, you have to get the
And we're
side.
gonna eat cake.
You gotta get the sides.
Oh my gosh.
Ava, no.
And we're
Ava.
gonna
Oh,
eat the cake
Lord,
too.
child. Like this. Yeah, I don't know what kind of stuff is in here. Woo.
Oh my gosh.
Right. Woo. Okay. It's looking good. About to go into the oven, baby. We are now making the frosting.
Oh yeah.
Got a cup of powdered sugar. Okay. Heavy whipping cream. And then you're going to add the mascarpone, Italian cream cheese. We're going to add both containers. Ooh, she fancy. So fancy. You gotta mix it till it gets stiff, y'all. Look at that. Ava did a good job. Oh yeah. Now once again, we did cheat a little and just got store-bought lemon curd instead of making our own. Somehow this sugar count just keeps creeping in. I'm also not sure with the stevia if it made the frosting not as stiff as it should have been and kind of made it more of a whipped style. Let us know in the comments if you've ever used stevia for sugar-free frosting. So breaking it down per slice, IKEA's version is over 50 grams of sugar per slice. Now, if you compare that to our version, we're coming in at only 8 grams per slice. So hey, we didn't do too bad, did we? Let us know what you think. All right.
He need to get a big piece because he's the daddy. How's he the super daddy?
All right.
It's delicious.
It is? Okay.
Let me get my dad.
Let's see if it's giving IKEA.
Mom,
What?
I'm going to get my dad.
Okay. Go on and get your daddy, girl.
No, I'm going to get my daddy.
Mm. Oh, it's giving IKEA. I can't even do it. Woo! There it is. Woo! This is good. Well, guys, we'll let Lionel taste it and see what he says. This is a good cake. Not too sweet. I think the frosting needed to be a little bit thicker. Should have mixed it a little bit longer, but I don't like frosting anyway. It's good.
Yeah. Let me taste the frosting. That's too thick. It's too thick.
It ain't too thick.
It's too thick.
Oh.
And thin.
you talking about?
And it's thick and thin.
Woo! That's about all I can do, y'all.
So I get A plus. I get A plus for that, even though it not taste good.
We did a good cake. So, girls, is it a natural disaster?
No.
Okay. It's good. All right, Nova, what do you rate it?
I rate it like so the frosting was too thick. I mean thin and thick. So I get it a 10 out of 10.
Ava, what's your score?
14 million out of 10.
What? All right, y'all. I'm gonna just give y'all a little glimpse. Oh yeah, this is giving good. We'll get
Yay.
Lionel's reaction.
Okay. Somebody get me a fork.
And I got you a knife.
All right. It looks really good.
But what it tastes like.
Everyone's quiet.
Let me get my teeth ready.
Really?
Really good.
Yeah.
What kind of store are you from?
It's really good. Really good.
Yeah. All right.
Maybe, I guess he got 100 out of 100.
You think so?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
See, look. See? 100 out of 100.
Yeah. We did a good job, girls.
Yep, y'all did a wonderful job. This is awesome.
All right. Let us know in the comments what we need to cook next.
What was the cookie? A big cookie.
And we can't put it natural disaster because it's the bomb.
The bomb.com.
Yeah. All right, Nova saying, Glam Fam out.
Glam Fam out. How dare you, Mom?
Move your toes. Let go. Let go.